Your dunk. Go ahead.
Yeah. You ready?
You ready?
This is 11-year-old dunk.
11-year-old dunking. 2 years later after making this bet. Let's see. That was a warm-up.
It's a warm-up.
One more. One more good one.
One more good one?
Tired now? What?
It's going to be LeBron James comeback. Maybe not.
You're not looking good on video here.
Okay. Now what?
Come on, Charles.
Are you ready?
You ready now?
Ready?
There you go. We'll end it right there.
Huh?
We're going to end it with that.